Wiring the multi-position air handler, we're going to use the traditional 1, 2, 3 as we do with most of our residential units. We'll have the 1, 2, 3 here, which we're getting our power source from our outdoor unit. So that'll be the 1 and 2 and 3 being our communication. On the left-hand side of the unit, there's a series of knockouts here that you can bring the wires in through the Romex connector, as well as the top left corner here. This will also be your entry points if you're using the auxiliary heat kit. That is an extra accessory that can be installed. So again, power from the outdoor unit, 1 and 2. So make sure that if you're using black wire on the outdoor unit, it's black wire on 1 here. White wire is 2 here, and 3, we're using the red in communication for this example. With the Cooper&Hunter multi-position air handler, we do have a couple of options for wired controllers. This is the 120 in. This one actually comes with the multi-position air handler, and this is our new 24 volt or communicating Smart Thermostat. Both have Wi-Fi capability, both have 2-wire connection, but this one here can actually be utilized on a standard 24 volt system, up to 3 heat and 2 cool on a standard system as well. On the multi-position thermostat, you'll see that we have a series of wiring connections here. Down here, this 2-wire connection, our CN7, is our HAHB. On our wired controllers, if you take a look, like on the 120 in, there's a 2-wire connection here. This uses a 18-2 stranded shielded cable for the wiring. So we'll have the 2 wires here, and then we'll have a shield that we got to wire to the ground. On the 24 volt thermostat side here, this system can do up to a 4 heat, 2 cool system, depending upon what thermostat in your application. We can control our auxiliary heaters through here, through a standard thermostat. The larger ones, we have a staging capability as well. But it's going to wire up just like a traditional thermostat. There is a built-in transformer that will power that thermostat, and it basically will accommodate about any application that your 24 volt thermostat will provide.